All right, welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ, and I am Stitch. And on this episode, we're going to be talking about some new basher bodies we got for the channel. So stay tuned. All right, well, welcome back. So yes, we got some new basher bodies for the channel. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got. All right, so these are a version of the indestructible basher bodies. So these actually come from, and you can see right here, TMT Bodies. They're located in Turkey, and found them on Facebook. They have a website and ordered some to give these a shot. I believe this one is a little bit more expensive for the Outcast 8S, but we got one for the ARRMA Creighton XL. We got one for the Outcast 6S, and you can see the red one down there is for the Typhon 6S. So these were those three down on the end for the 6S line were about 90 bucks a piece, and then I want to say this one was closer to $100 a piece. But we're going to give them a shot. They do come molded just like the rest of the bodies that you buy, and you got to kind of trim them to fit. But you can see on the Creighton XL right here, got it trimmed up. And then you got the Outcast. That's Black Betty rocking it. And then this one here, he does, it looks like it's a clear shell underneath that he does. It's kind of like a clear white color, and then he puts a red wrap, carbon fiber wrap on it. You can kind of see with the logo. Other than I've already got it kind of scratched up a little bit, but it's a carbon fiber body. I'm walking in the shadow. You can see I trimmed it up the best I could. It's really durable plastic. You can see there's TMT Bodies. Comes with you know, all of the standard stickering. Of course, I added in some Basher Queen and M2C stickers for the Creighton XL and the Outcast 6S, and then of course over here on the Typhon 6S. Now, because this bad boy is completely stock, you guys saw this the video of this guy, kind of like my mini unboxing of it, and we're going to be running that out at the new AZRC Bashers event this year. But you got some brand new AZRC Basher stickers on it, rocking the SK Hobbies logo. But it's a pretty thick body and pretty durable. So we're going to give it a shot and see how they hold up here at SK Hobbies. You know, I bought, when I did the upgrades on my wife's Outcast Black Betty, I bought a new shell for her, and I already broke it. I broke it out at the last bash. It cracked right here along the hood. So I'm just going to fix that and just probably flex seal underneath that area to make it last a little bit longer. But we're going to see how this bad boy does. And it doesn't come with the plastic roof bar on the back. So you have I took this off of our old Outcast body, and I kind of drilled the holes and got that to kind of mate up. As you can see on the 8S one, I don't have the roll cage on the back. I'm going to actually probably order that, but we're going to rock it this way for right now and see how that works out. So let me go ahead and bring you guys back up. All right, so there you got it. We've got new basher bodies for our ARRMA line. So we're going to give them I want to do a shout out to TMT Bodies, and thank you for sending these out and getting them out so quick for me. So we will definitely give them a good bashing this weekend, and do another final review, maybe even talk a little bit about them out at the bash event, because I'll be doing a Facebook Live and a YouTube Live out at the event Friday night and Saturday for our bash event. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.